It's been a long time. Not days, not weeks, a whole year. A whole year of feeling trapped, like you're inside something you can't explain, and no matter how hard you try, you just can't get out. You wake up every day, but something inside you is already tired. Not your body, your mind, your heart. And the hardest part is not even the pain. It's this. You've been there for people. You've helped them. You've listened to them. You've shown up when they needed you. You've pulled people out of dark places. But when it's your turn, no one is there. No one asks. No one notices. No one even thinks, "Are you okay?" Even the people closest to you. They call when they need something. They reach out when they are in trouble. But they never stop to ask if you are struggling too. And that hurts in a way you can't explain, because you start to wonder, do I even matter to anyone outside of what I can do for them? There were moments, quiet moments, where everything felt too much. Moments where you thought about ending it, not because you want to die, but because you just want the pain to stop. But somehow, every time, something stops you. You don't always understand it, but something holds you back. Something interrupts that moment. Something reminds you, not yet. And maybe, just maybe, that is not an accident. Because even when people don't show up, God does. Not always loudly, not always in the way you expect, but in those exact moments when you feel like you can't go on, He shows up. And maybe that's the truth you need to hold on to. People can fail you, even the ones you love, even the ones you've helped. But God doesn't miss it. He sees everything. The silent pain, the hidden tears, the strength you show when no one is watching. You will go through moments in life where you expect people to be there for you, the same way you were there for them. And they won't show up. And it will hurt deeply. But that does not mean you are alone. Because the same strength that has carried you this far is still with you. And God, He has not left you. Not for a second. If you're watching this and you feel this, you are not the only one. And you are not forgotten. Stay. Just stay. One more day. One more step. Even if no one else sees you, He does. Subscribe to AOA Motivation. Watching my videos means more than you know. Even if you don't subscribe or like the video, I truly appreciate your time.